Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Make with Bella. It's been ages, yes I know, and I'm happy to bounce back to share with you my recipe. Thank you for the patience and your support. Join me, let's make some delicious and flavorful pineapple rice. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll be needing. You will need 1 cup chicken stock, 2 cups jasmine rice, 1 fresh pineapple, 2 bell peppers, I use green and red, 2 large onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. We are going to start by bringing the chicken stock to a boil and then adding the washed jasmine rice. Now give it a good stir and then cover to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. As the rice is cooking, it's time for us to prep the vegetables and the pineapple fruit. Finely chop your carrots, green pepper and onion into a preferable size. And for the pineapple, cut it into half, scoop the flesh out and then dice into smaller pieces. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footages, so I can't share with you my cooked rice, but once yours is done, go ahead and heat your vegetable oil in a large pan, add in your diced garlic and then stir it until it is golden brown. It is time to add in the chopped vegetables to the garlic and oil, stir and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. And then add in the chopped or diced pineapple fruit. Mix everything until it comes together. Now add in some salt, your powdered pepper, and then the curry powder. Mix everything together, and now it's time to add in the cooked rice, just like I'm doing. Mix everything together and then add in a tablespoon of soy sauce and continue to stir until everything is well combined. Now remember to stir from time to time, allowing the flavors to come out and the pineapple fruit to melt to bring out the juice and the good taste as required. And after 5 minutes, your flavorful pineapple rice is ready to be served. I know you like what you're seeing, how colorful it is. This dish can be served to friends and families on all occasions. Try the recipe and thank me later. Thank you for joining me on this recipe, and don't forget to like, comment if you enjoyed it, and share to your friends and families. See you again on our next recipes. Have a nice cooking.